Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very well. So today I'm back with another new video. आज का जो वीडियो है वो ये होने वाला है कि मैंने कुछ लिपस्टिक के सिमिलर लिपस्टिक्स ढूंढ के निकाले हैं. Like I'm not claiming that they are exactly similar, but कुछ फीचर्स जो है उसके बहुत ज़्यादा सिमिलर है. जो थ्री लिपस्टिक के मैंने सिमिलर निकाले हैं सारे नायका के मैट मी लिपस्टिक्स है, जो कि मिनी में भी अवेलेबल होते हैं एंड ओरिजिनल साइज में भी अवेलेबल होता है. So today I have 3 shades and I'm gonna present you the 3 dupes of them. So let's without any further ado, let's start. The first one I'm going to talk about is one of my favorite shade from Nykaa, and it's shade number 26 M Bon Bon. I love this shade. It's a brownish nude lipstick which actually suits every skin color, and only for the dark and medium sized skin tones like me. It suits so nicely. I love this, and the formula is very nice. It's almost came to an end. Like the first lipstick I'm gonna hit the end is obviously going to be this lipstick because I love this. Today I found another lipstick which is quite a bit similar to the previous lipstick, just a little bit lighter from this Nykaa Matte Me Bon Bon shade. I love both the lipstick. This is such a pretty nude color. It's from Maybelline New York and it's in the shade 657 Nude Nuance, and I freaking love this lipstick. The formulas exactly are same, very creamy, and they did not last very long. They are transfer proof obviously, and they are very creamy. Like both of the lipsticks are very creamy. So now I'm going to show you the swatch of both the lipsticks, and then I will show you how it looks on me.
So one is obviously a nude one and other is the brown one, but they look equally beautiful on a skin tone.
So obviously if you are going to buy the Nykaa Matte Me, it's in the mini, it will be a little bit cheaper for you than buying the Maybelline one. But if you are going to buy the full size, it will be expensive. So all the lipstick I'm going to show you has a duplicate which is more expensive. So I think this will be a better option to buy. After nude, I'm going to talk about reds, and for reds, the first lipstick I have in my hand is from the same range. It's 30M. I forgot the shade name actually. I will put it on the screen, and it's a red lipstick. I think it's Ruby something, I don't remember. And again I'm going to hit the end. Like finally I'm going to hit the head of this lipstick as well, and it's a beautiful red color. I will do a swatch so that you guys can see how it looks on my hand and also on my lips. But this is such a pretty red color, and I found a shade which is like exactly similar to it, and that is from MAC. No, not MAC Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo is not exact same of this. So this is a Regal Russian Red, matte Russian Red, and it's such a pretty red color. Again, I love this. It's such a pretty red color. They have like most similar undertone to them and looks pretty similar on my lips, and they are both creamy. Obviously it has a better formulation, but if you are looking for a cheaper alternative, you can definitely go for this lipstick. Both have like the similar undertone. This is a little bit more matte than this one. It's a little bit glossy. The shades are exactly same. So obviously if you are looking for cheaper alternatives, go for the Matte Me Minis, and they are going to cost you a very less amount. MAC's lipsticks are too expensive. I have the mini one and it's still very expensive. Now let's swatch the lipsticks and show you guys how it looks on my lips.
One appeared lighter than the other one is a little bit darker, but when you wear them they look exactly similar.
Now let's coming to the third and the last shade range we have today, and that's again from the same range, Nykaa Matte Me. It's the Mulled Wine 13M. it's still like I haven't used that much of this lipstick because these are too dark and I don't like applying dark lipstick on a daily basis. But obviously if there's something like festive or a ceremony or something like that, I will definitely use this. But this is a darker shade. It's like a wine color, as the name suggests. It's a mulled wine. It's a brownish, wineish and maroonish. Such a pretty color. I am bad at explaining these shades, but definitely this is such a pretty color. Obviously suits a dark skin tone as well as light skin tone, and you guys will be a little bit shocked to see, but the duplicate is a Huda Beauty lipstick. Yes, definitely it's a liquid lipstick and this is a bullet lipstick. They both have different formulas and we are not going to compare the formulas. We are going to compare the shade. They have like almost the same shade, which you will see when I swatch it. But yes, you can find it a little bit different because obviously it's a liquid lipstick and it looks different from the bullet lipstick during application, but they have the same shade, almost the same shade, and I freaking love this lipstick, this shade. I loved it, and then I bought this and I saw that they are probably almost the same shade. So yes, obviously these are too expensive, so if you are looking for a cheaper alternative, here's the one you can buy, guys. Go for this. If you love dark maroonish shade, you will definitely love this lipstick as well. So if you are going to buy, if you are thinking about buying this, its shade name is Famous. Yes, so let's see the swatches on my hand and on my lips.
So one has like a reddish undertone and another has like this mauvey undertone, but they look a quite bit similar.
So yeah guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and should I do this again, tell me in the comment section. And I hope this helped you. Festive season आ रहा है and obviously आप लोग lipstick लेने का सोच ही रहे होगे, so I hope this helped you a little bit. So yeah, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will meet you on the next video. Till then, goodbye.